Yesterday's rain across the Denver area was a drought buster, not just a drought denter. Let's get into some of the math about it, but we saw a lot of rain for us in Denver, and it's going to eliminate our drought. Now, we actually had a drought monitor update that came in this morning, but it doesn't reflect all the rain that we got. So point being, you won't see the reflections on the drought monitor map until next week. But here's a look at how much rain we got in Denver, about 1.5 inches for most of the metro area, a little less, closer to about an inch, inch and a quarter, south and west sides of the metro area, a bit more, closer to about 2 inches, north and east sides of the metro area, Thornton, North Glen, Brighton, closer to about 2 inches. Fort Collins, you picked up about 2 inches. Boulder, about 1.5 inches, a little bit more just north and east of Boulder and in the foothills. And then the Northeast Plains, Akron, Holyoke, Sterling, Julesburg, those areas, close to 3 inches of rain out across the Northeast Plains. So in Denver specifically, we had a rain deficit of about 2 inches going back to the start of the summer back on June the 1st. We've only picked up about 3.5 inches of rain since then. We basically made up that entire deficit with this one storm alone. It is rare for us to get 1 inch rain events. We saw an 1.5 inches for us in Denver. We get that every year, every other year. We get an 1.5 inches rain event for us in a single storm. And for final bit of context, that is about 10% of our typical annual rain and snow equivalent. So our total average annual precipitation for us in Denver is about 14, 15 inches. When we get an 1.5 inches, that is again a little bit more than 10% of our typical annual rain and snow equivalent. So a very, very good storm came without any headaches either, right? No big hail, no flood issues. A good news storm for us across the Denver area and across Northeast Colorado.